Chairman of the Board of Directors of the Grenada Co-operative Bank, Daryl Braffith, says the institution posted a profitable 6-month performance for the period ending March 31st, 2020. However, Chief Operating Officer at the institution, Dion Moses, cautions that this level of profitability may be short-lived in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. Addressing the bank's half-year performance media briefing on Thursday, Mr. Braffith says Co-op's profit after tax for the period was $7.2 million compared to $5.9 million for the previous corresponding period, which represents a 22% increase.
The improvement was primarily due to an increase in operating income arising from a better quality loan portfolio. Total assets now stand at $1.16 billion, a decline of 0.5% or $5.3 million over the first 6 months of the financial year.
Referencing the financial crisis of 2008, Mr. Moses says the impact of the crash was not felt until 3 years later, and it's possible the same can happen with COVID-19.
If this crisis is going to be much bigger, and that's the anticipation by all the analysts, much bigger than the 2008 crisis, then we can expect that the real effects of this crisis wouldn't be felt for at least another 3 years. So the pain that we are feeling now is probably much less than what we will be feeling a little bit later on. So it will be foolhardy to believe that this level of profitability may be continuing in the short term.
Mr. Moses notes that a lot of customers have been taking advantage of the moratorium offered by the bank in the wake of the pandemic.
On the retail end, 741 customers have applied for that facility, and 115 businesses have applied for that relief. I will use the opportunity to remind persons that once your income was affected, then you qualify for this program. If other members of your household are also affected, you can also apply for the moratorium.
The board director acknowledged that the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic is uncharted territory. However, Grenada Co-operative Bank has implemented risk management strategies to cushion the impact of the pandemic to its customers and to protect the balance sheet. Blossom Alexis Welsh, GBN News.